Hey everybody, so I set up my little Pocket Plus from Cloth and Paper. I made some journal jewelry to go with it. I put these charms together. So, I don't know, it's silver, so normally I like gold, but this is how it looks so far. I'm going to be adding other things to it. This is one of the little paper clips. I actually made that from an applique. Okay, so yeah, that's the journal jewelry. I have this these are some charms. This one says good things are going to happen. Okay, so yeah, and then this one says believe. So pretty, right? Just so pretty. And then this is like a little acetate piece that I had. I don't know. I have something in one of my journals. It says seriously. Wait, it says seriously. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put here. I want to get like a holographic sticker, but I have to find one. So for the moment, I will put this on here. I'll put that on there. And then I put in my Electrum. This is A6. A6, this is called Jot Double. That's what these little journals are in here. Okay, so I'm just going to use these for just, for my purse or bag or whatever, to carry around. It's probably going to get a lot more full. So that's what I have in here now. So I have the Electrum. And then I have this sort of random, like blank journal, that I put in there, that I have a few of those around. It's a different size, obviously, but I like it. And then here's the other Electrum. I put it in the back. I might put like a little tiny calendar in here or something else. I do need some lined notebooks. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Daiso, because Daiso has some cute little, mini little like notebooks and lined little things you can, put inside of like small little journals. So yeah, and then I just put this pen. This is a Papermate pen, Inkjoy. I don't really have another pen to put, with this, but I think I'm going to order some of the Uniball pens. I like those, so just to go with this. So, and this is what I have in the inside for right now. A lot of this is temporary, y'all, so, but I'll share it anyway. So that's like a little saying. It says, I will risk it again and again, she says to herself. Okay, so that's what that says. And the front says seriously. That means I'm serious. And then it's a cute little heart sticker. So that's really cute. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of basic for now. But it's a cute little setup. It works for what I need. I really want to order the, what do you call that? Was it A5 Slim? Yeah, I think it's A5 Slim from Cloth and Paper. I love these notebook covers. These notebook covers are so great. I love them. Yeah. So I'm sold on these. They're really nice. And I like that, you can see through them and everything. So, all right. So the way that I attach this, yeah, I just kind of put all of the, oh, wait, look, I put it on wrong. I always do it wrong on camera. Here. Let's see. We got to put it like that here. Hold on. And put it like that. And then she's good to go, right? Let me straighten it out so we can see it again, okay? So I think, well, wait a minute, y'all. Hold on a second. Hold on. Let me get it together. Hold on. All right. I got it together. Sometimes it takes a second, girl. Your girl kind of takes a minute. So, yeah, I don't know. I like these charms, but I'll just keep them this way for now. I'm not sure about these two because, if I put this in my bag, these are going to come flying off. So for now, I'll put them on there. But I guess if I start putting this in my purse, I'm going to probably have to take these off because they will just end up, coming apart here. Okay. So for right now, this is my little Pocket Plus, and I love it. It's so cute. It's just so cute. I wish I could find more journals like this with the lined one. So I'm going to continue to see if I can find some at Home Goods and at TJ Maxx. I didn't go to Marshall's yet, so y'all, I might have to go to Marshall's, okay? Because that's where I've been finding all the other Lectrum Leuchtturm journals. And I'm looking for some Midori's. They said they had Midori's at Home Goods. So I'm going to be on the lookout for that. But anyway, that's my little Pocket Plus. So I just wanted to share with you. I love it. Thanks.